Hi everyone. This was an empty box of a mobile phone. So I like this box, so I said instead of throwing, I'll use it as a pouch or mobile holder as well. I'm using here a teal color, turquoise, dark turquoise or teal color mostly people say is this. Acrylic paint this one. I will color the box completely, only the outside parts, not inner side. If you want, you can leave the box even black or any other color you like. Let this dry completely, and here it's all done. I color it and only outside, not inner part. And here I have a deco patch gloss shine. If you don't have that gloss, you can use even your nail polish, the shiny and the glossy one, transparent. So I will cover this with gloss as well to lock the colors, to save the colors from getting damaged and give it a nice finishing and shine. After it's dry, you can see how beautiful this box is. And now we need to decorate this. Here I have my handmade ring, so-called a gem. This was a bouncing ball for a kid, so I used it as a ring and I removed it from the ring to use it over the box now. And if you want to comment down below if you want to watch the tutorial how I made this bouncing ball ring or gemstone. Stick it over the box like this with glue. After it's all done, I will use a pencil or pen to draw any design. I'm just roughly drawing whatever comes in my mind. Here you can see this now. So we can apply the hot glue over the design. Now take hot glue and apply it over the designing you did with pencil or pen, like this, on the both sides, all sides, I mean on front, back and on top, and leave the sides. Here you can see this. On these sides I apply the glue. And now take a golden paint or spray. I'm using the spray paint. It's having more shine and gloss. And I will apply it on the top of the glue, hot glue. I'm using now a golden glitter bronze color. This is something like this, and I will apply a hot glue beads on the box, and I will quickly apply the glitter on it so it stick with the glue and remove the rough glitter by shaking the box. I just love glitter, shines and glows, those things, so I use them mostly in my all crafts. By shaking you can remove the excess of the glitter and it will just stick on the wet glue, hot glue, like this. Here it's done, you can see, and I am loving this. Now I am applying white glue on the sides of the box, and I will apply the same glitter on the both sides. If you want, you can leave this empty as well, plain, but I just love glitter and glittery stuff, so I'm using this on the sides as well. Just throw it on the wet glue, white glue, wet glue, whatever, and I will use now the fingers to spread it all around. Okay, it's done on both sides now. Look how nice it is when it's shine from glitter. For me, if you doesn't like, you can skip the glitter as well. And here is a bow I made with a golden ribbon and bead. It's so easy to do, so I didn't make the tutorial, or I didn't make the part to show how I did this bow. And now stick it with hot glue on the side. Actually glitter was a little bit wet still, but I was in hurry to do this, so I applied the hot glue on the wet white glue and glitter. Okay, on this part here, which will come over the box, we will use a black fabric to make a pocket to put our money or card. Use the hot glue to stick the fabric by losing it a little bit, not exact tighten, so you can easily insert the cards inside. You need to make it a little bit looser, the fabric. You will see I'm not sticking it, I'm not stretching the fabric, I'm losing it a little bit like this. And here it's done. You can apply your main basic things of the life, mostly for some girls, your mascara, lip gloss, lipsticks, your mobile, and here are your cards, which you will put here in this pocket. And here you go, it's all done. I hope you liked the video. Please give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and share them with your friends so I can reach to the 100k subscribers. And thanks for watching.